Let me get the facts straight, just in case I was somehow unclear. I have traffic cams that spotted you in Georgetown at the scene, on the night Vinny was killed. I have a murder weapon with your prints, get this, only your prints. I have statements from multiple witnesses saying you left Vinny's restaurant at 1:46 a.m. with blood on your hands and your shirt. And you think I don't care. Listen, this is as easy as it gets from me. I can shut this folder and walk out that door by the time I get a latte. You're in the system. A slam dunk for the DA. But I'm still here talking to you. Yes, I'm the only one who cares. I am your only friend. And the one chance you have at staying out of prison for the rest of your goddamn life. Now, you give me the names, and I'll help you with this.